Welcome back to another Destination 105 video. We're actually going up to Driftland today. It's Doryfest. It was on yesterday, so yesterday was Saturday. We're just attending Sunday. We're going to fly up the motorway just now. We're already running late. This time it's not Callum's fault. So
it's a rare occurrence.
So we'll fire up. If we see anything cool on the motorway, we'll capture that on the way up. But highly doubtful because it's usually pretty boring.
Yeah.
We did have other cars that were supposed to come, and we were going to get rollers and but that obviously didn't happen because I'm the only here. So, and we can't really let Callum wander about the motorway.
Yeah, and the cameraman. Yeah, I could just run up the hard shoulder. Yeah.
So the likelihood is we'll probably get up to Driftland and film from there.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you shortly.
Catch you shortly, lads.
Here in Driftland. We're actually quite early, which is
Yeah, there's like nobody here.
yeah, literally hardly anybody here just now, which is ideal because we've got a 6 space. But I'm going to go find Martin, the guy that runs Dorifest, because it costs us 40 quid to get in. He's getting his pants pulled down because we've got ours pulled down at the gates. So we're going to go find him, but we'll take you a walk around before it gets too busy.
This is the first drifter on.
Oh mate, weapon.
If you pick that up. Yeah, it's flat out though.
Hit that apex.
Damn, son! Flat out.
But yeah, we'll go for a walk around the cars before it gets busy. There's no music playing, so hopefully we should be able to talk a bit.
Yeah.
But we don't look like, well, we don't want to look like absolute amateurs, mate. Mate, we're absolutely fine. Right, let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
never slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
S15's cleaner than mine, mate.
Okay, mate.
So it's halfway through the day.
It's been a long ass day.
We've now retreated to the car because this guy won't shut up about it being so cold.
I've got the jacket on, hoodie on, t-shirt on. But Kelvin's acting the big man, but he was just about to double up and jump us there.
He's talking
No, you're about to fire it on. Oh. I'm waiting for some drifting to happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah, there's a car that's currently getting recovered.
Recovered?
Yeah, mate, I can't even speak, yeah. So we 180 getting recovered just now.
That's alright though.
Yeah, but so far it's been a pretty sick day.
It's been alright.
And the weather's been class.
Is it? I'm not sure, like, it's been dry, mate. I wouldn't class it as class. But he bought like in this gaff.
You're such a little yeah. Oh my.
I'm cold. Alright.
Hell.
I'm going to have to get one of them jackets that heats up in that. You know what I mean? Shout out to Milwaukee. Got to fire me a jacket. In my element, bro.
That's actually sick. No, we're doing the outro inside the car because the drifting's still going on. We're just about to leave. But overall, it's been a sick day. If you haven't already, I would go out and have a. Oh, fuck's sake! This camera's battery's dead, man.
Oh, quickly!
Look at the fucking.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.
And if you want to see the after movie, go check out Super Zest on YouTube as well. Their videography is a lot better than ours. But yeah, peace out.
Yeah, sweet. Bye. Bye.
Look at the state of this road, man.
Whoa.
Oh my life.
Smooth, I'm telling you.
Jesus, I can't even see it.
Oh, don't look that. Kelvin, your face
Nearly got
so much concentration.
Nearly got wrecked by a Dacia Duster, but it's alright. I'm gonna dust him, mate.
Really?
That's a bit better.
It's a little bit smoother.
Oh, of course, that's freaking young. I'll just speed that up so it looks like we're doing 200 miles an hour.
Where are we at, Kelvin?
So, we're on the way back from Driftland. We thought, fuck it, we'll give the viewers some nice viewing pleasure on the way home, and we'll go to the Beef Tub, which is what we're on just now. Nice views, obviously, but the sat nav decided to take us along the motorway to basically moff it. So we've came on the Beef Tub, and now we're going to be off the Beef Tub, so we've missed everything.
A whole about 2.5 miles.
So, f*** you, Google Maps. Hi again, everybody. That's us just home. I've dropped Callum off. That's me just arrived back at my house. Yeah, today was really good. Just like to say a big props to Martin, the one that runs Doryfest, Martin Oberheim. The organisers themselves at Driftland, and all the drivers. It was actually a sick event. It was really good. Weather was really good as well. It was a bit windy, but and Callum was complaining like a little bitch, but that's nothing new. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thanks again for all the support lately. It's been really good. And yeah, road to 1K is officially on. We'll get there, and once we do hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing a decent sized giveaway as well. So look forward to hearing some details on that when we get closer to that milestone. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.
There's a DC2! No! We're coming! It's going the wrong way! Come back!
Oh, so pissed off! All that time! No!
It's okay, no we're talking quality.
It's an go, mate.
Go. Ow! Mate, I'm trying to control the camera here. Bro!
Another nice interesting car we've seen was actually a lorry with
Wee Willy Winkies.
Wee Willy Winkies on it, mate.
It brought some memories back, didn't it?
It did.